We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have like no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.